What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Bloofy from Inside Out 2. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw an oval for the front eye. We'll start from the very top. We want to angle this down towards the right. So we'll start at the very top, come down at an angle, round out the eye, and then go back up towards the top. Let's draw that same size oval on the top right. So we'll start right in the middle, going all the way around, go up towards the top, and then back down. Let's draw two smaller ovals on the inside. Just going to pull that in toward the center seam. And then along the top, draw a small circle for a highlight. Let's draw a smaller oval in the center going underneath the highlight, and then we'll fill that in black. Now we want to fold that cheek underneath the eye. So we step out, we come in underneath the eye, go around, and then back up. Now from the inside of the cheek, we're going to draw the muzzle. We're going to come down, go all the way out, go up towards the top. Now we just want to bring that down just underneath the right eye. Let's add those two teeth. Start with a half oval, coming down and then up. Tuck the second one in behind. Now I'm going to place the nose along the top. I'm going to start from the bottom left. We're going to draw a half circle, going up, and then come down on the right. And then on the ends, just want to swirl this around. So we start with the left, coming up towards the nostril, come down and in towards the middle, add another one, going up, come down, just close off the bottom. Let's go back underneath the cheek and draw in the mouth, going all the way around, and then just pull that up. Let's separate the teeth with a curve in the middle, going across, and we'll separate the teeth from top to bottom, bending this down and across, add one on the left, and then the right. Now I'm going to add three small circles on the inside for the whiskers. And we'll trace the bottom of the mouth underneath. We'll start on the left, coming down towards the chin, and then tuck that up on the right. Now we're going to go back up above the eyes and draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start with a curve, going up and then down above each eye. Now I want to round out the inside and then taper that down towards the outside. Let's add a fold along the side of the cheek. We're going to step out, coming all the way around. I want to go in behind the eyebrow, go in between, come down around the side, and then down towards the muzzle. Now I want to add in that hat brim. We're going to start on the side of the head, coming in, and then up toward the left. Let's round this out, coming down, and then back in. Let's trace this along the inside. Let's place the top of the hat in behind. So we're going to start up here, draw a half circle, going all the way around. I'm just going to pull this in just beside the side of the head, step out and add a fold. Let's add a seam across the side of the hat with a curve, go back up to the top and draw in the button. Now I want to place those two ears in behind. From the button, step up, curve the ear going all the way around, and then over, round out the ear. I just want to taper this so it gets narrower as you come back in towards the hat. Let's add in the bottom ear. From the button, step down, going all the way around, round out the ear, and then taper that back in. Now I want to go back and add that ring around the left eye. Starting on top of the cheek, I'm just going to trace the eye, going all the way around, and then pull that down towards the middle, go to the bottom, come down underneath the eye, and back in behind the cheek. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start underneath the chin on the right side, then it's out, and then down. Let's go over towards the left, step down, come down, and then out towards the hip. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw an oval for the pouch, going all the way around, up the right side, and then up towards the top. And then we'll round out the hips. On the left side, going out, and then in along the side, And then on the right, we're just going to tuck this in on top. Let's add a strap with 2 curves. And we'll add that zipper, going all the way across, and then bending that up. Go back to the left side, step down, and draw that again. Let's add a small zipper pull on the bottom, coming down and up. And we'll separate the zipper teeth with these straight lines. Now I want to go back and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left side of the body, angle this down and then out towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, come down and out. Let's draw on that first finger. I'm going to bend this out and then down. Round up the finger and then bend that back in. Now we want to add a small bump for the palm. Let's layer 2 more fingers, starting from the bottom, going all the way around and then in, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's add another bump for the edge of the palm. And then we'll layer the thumb in behind. So step down, bend the thumb going up, round up the thumb, and then come back in. Let's add a curve in towards the wrist. Now I'm going to draw a straight angle line coming back in underneath the head. Let's go back on the left side of the body, just underneath the strap, add the tail. And then it's up, round up the tail, and then taper that back in. And now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the pouch, starting right in the middle with a straight line coming down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and up. Go back to the center, coming down and up on the right. Let's round out the top of the feet. We're going to go up, and then bend this down. Let's round out the bottom, go up, and then out towards the top of the foot. Let's bend the legs going back in along the outside, going underneath the pouch. And then along the top, we're going to add 2 curves, one on the left, one on the right. Step down and draw that again. Now we're going to add that thick sole on the bottom of the feet. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up, bend that down. Just going to round this out and come in towards the heel. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Bloofy from Inside Out 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.